Hi traders! In today's video I will talk about why it is actually so much better to trade with an EA when you are off-grid than trade manually. And it might sounds like it is very just obvious because you know you are off-grid, you are traveling, you are hiking, you are just doing things that require all of your body and mind. And most of the time I realized that in the world, on this planet, Wi-Fi and internet connection is not available everywhere. And so when you are trading in a manual way while you are traveling off-grid and off the road, and you are hiking in the mountains, or you are white camping on a deserted island, it is not the easiest to always find the best connection to trade. And the problem is that with an EA you don't have to worry about that. Why wouldn't you just trade with an EA then? And it is actually a good question, and I was so curious to try it out, if it is even possible to trade in a manual way when you are traveling and hiking the mountains and stuff. And it turned out that it is extremely difficult, and it is because even if you have an alert system that you coded, that I did for this challenge, if you don't have connection, you miss the alerts, and you miss the perfect spots to enter the market. And so it is not the easiest. And if you have a dynamic exit and not just a stop loss and take profit, then there is another issue, that you can also miss the perfect or the optimal exit point. And these are all things that you have to consider if you are trading manually when you are traveling, that internet connection is not always available. So now I start to run an EA on a separate account, and with the same challenge, that $100 start day trading, and this challenge will show if an EA, I coded this EA for this purpose, and it is an EA that trades a day trading strategy that is, for me, is not the easiest thing to code and to do, because I am a long-term trader, but I hope it will work fine. And I coded all the safety elements and all the layers that I use, or the three-way exit conditions that I use in my manual trading and my bigger EAs with bigger account. And so I will run this EA and I will trade in a manual way also when I can on the road. And we will see which one is more stable in the long term. And in my opinion, in this case, algorithmic trading is the true king. And this is what algorithmic trading was made for. When you are doing things that require your mind, your body, your soul, and you can't always connect to the internet or Wi-Fi or anything, because data is not available. And this is where, if you are using a VPS, a virtual private server, is so much better, because that means that you are not just running an EA. So you're not just running an EA on your computer that has to be open all day, but you put your entire trading environment, the strategy and EA, to a virtual private server, and it will do the trades for you, and it will close the trades for you. It will do everything, and it costs approximately like $15 to $20 a month, and you pay that, and you can use multiple EAs and that are completely automated and your strategies, and you don't even have to take a look at it. I use VPS for more than 5 years because it is just so convenient, and now I am really excited how it will work on a small $100 account when we are traveling and exploring the world. And I will share the results in small videos with you and compare them with my manual trading along the way. I hope it will be exciting for you too, and it will be an eye-opener how algorithmic trading and VPS combined can be a really powerful, just a really powerful tool in your trading. If you are working, if you have to work in the day, or if you have to do other kind of stuff and you don't have the time to trade all day. Ciao.